And when we did, like we've talked about before, but the first time we did Narnia or like the first spy theme even, I mean, we done different themes where it took a massive amount of work. But it was so many people were so excited about it.
Yeah.
And we were, like the pirate ship, I remember that was pretty major in the fellowship hall. We would set that up every single week and take it down. And it was, it was a ship big enough to probably, at that time, maybe 30 kids or something. 30 kids fit in this, and it had a floor because one side was Navy,
open, right?
and one side was pirates.